Hello and welcome to another episode with the Smart Home Move and Smart Hub Consulting. Sasa, it's this thing called tax amnesty, and I think I have had a lot of inquiries and questions regarding the same. So today I want us to really understand what is tax amnesty and what are you supposed to do as a taxpayer. So first of all, I think this is like a point where we say, like the Bible says, we have all sinned and fallen short of the glory. So, previously there has been some bit push and pull between the Treasury and KRA on who really has the rights to, to give the waivers on penalties and whatever interest. KRA says you're the administrator of the taxation, so we are the best people suited to administer that. On the other side says, the Treasury says, this money is ours, you collect on our behalf, so we can only have, be the rightful people to give the amnesty. So to avoid all this, I think the Finance Act 2023 has come up to maybe what you can say to remedy or to cure some of those issues. So the finance bill came with a program, what is being called the amnesty. Amnesty is like giving or forgiving you for the wrongs that you've done. So one of the things that was introduced by the finance bill of 2023 is they've given us what is a taxpayer what is called an amnesty on penalties and interest. And this is how it's going to work, or it will affect you as a taxpayer. First, let's say for example you only have penalties but no principal tax. Then you automatically qualify for the amnesty since you don't have any principal tax. What KRA will do, or they're planning to do, is for any penalties and interest that is up to 31st December of 2022, they'll be removed from the system simply, and simply they will disappear. This one up to now, it has not really happened. That is the first scenario. So that one, you don't need to make an application, you don't need to do anything. I think at the right time, KRA will take care of that. The other thing is somebody who has principal tax. Let's say, for example, you filed your PAYE monthly, but you have not paid the principal amount, maybe 10,000 of what you're supposed to pay, 6 or whatever amount. And the amount has been accumulating interest, or you've been has penalties and interest. So what KRA is asking you to do is, can you pay all this principal tax? Let's say, for example, all the principal tax due up to 31st of December is 1 million shillings. So what they are doing is, through the Amnesty Programme, is you do what is called a payment plan between now and 31st of June 2024. So between now and that June of 2024, you're supposed to have cleared the 1 million of your principal tax. Once you clear that amount, then the penalties and the interest due from the same will be forgiven, or you get an amnesty on that amount. Okay? So clear the principal, you get the amnesty on the principal, on the penalties and interest. If you have none of that, then of course you're not in the amnesty program. So this is a way of maybe trying to reduce the penalties. Maybe they have been counting as that part of their income or revenue, but in the real sense, there's a lot of debate on maybe somebody accrued penalties or interest from legitimate reasons. And also, I think the tax system is a bit political, so it's a give and take. So you tax people some more, you give them the amnesty. So that's what the Amnesty Programme has been up to. Secondly, and this is the catch is, if you don't take advantage of the Amnesty Programme by 31st June of 2024, everything becomes payable. So whatever is outstanding, the principal, the penalties, and the interest, all that amount will be payable. And then I think what will happen with KRA, they'll now start doing what is called the collection. They'll put some gas on the collection bit. So there'll be following guys, taxpayers, for that they can be able to pay all the principals and taxes that is due from them, because this program has been running for quite some time now. So, and for you as a taxpayer, I think it's prudent. Do you talk to your accountant, talk to somebody who does your taxes, and then they'll be able to help you. Take advantage of this situation, and it will greatly help you clean up your tax issues. The other bit is, now moving forward from January of 2023 kuendelea, if you file your taxes late, is it the monthly, the annual, there will be no waivers. There will be no waiver application. But I think also now the question on KRA also needs to ask, what if is a legitimate reason why you never filed your returns on time? Let's say, for example, iTax was down, or it's something to do with the iTax error, or something happened that is legitimate. How are they going to deal with that? I think from that bit, I'm here to get a feedback from them on what really they're going to help people regards when somebody accrues, let's say, a penalty or an interest through legitimate reason. One of the best ways you can maybe now moving forward for your accountant, or you as an accountant or a tax consultant, will be, it's always good to take a screenshot. Let's say, for example, this is an error from iTax. It's always good to take a screenshot of the error you're getting. All you do, the iTax has an option where you do what is called the reporting. Can you report the error that you receive, get the message, at least now serves as an official communication or an official grounds that you really did what you took a further step to address the problem. But in the meantime, what I will advise you guys is take advantage of the program. Usingoje mpaka 30 June for you to take. I think there are quite a number of cases I've seen. We've handled a number of them here at Smart Hub Consulting, and we'll always be willing to help you where we can. So thank you for watching this video, and I would also urge you to subscribe to my channel. And should you have any inquiries, kindly reach to me on 0786 172 111 or smarthubconsulting@gmail.com. Thank you, and make the smart moves with Smart Hub Consulting. Bye.